And today we are digging holes. I've got the 6-inch auger on. This person is going to put a dog fence in the backyard, so everywhere that there's a mark here, we're going to dig a hole, and we're going to try to keep it as straight as we can. The pile of post is over there. They're 4-inch posts, so with a 6-inch auger there's not going to be a lot of wiggle room this way to keep them straight. So we're going to try it and see how we do with it. Let's do it. Don't pull it too far back, just enough so it doesn't go back in that hole when I lift it up. Go grab one of those posts, just the 4-inch post. Let's stick it in that hole to make sure it's going to be okay. How far down did it go? Did it go 2 feet? Okay. Go back to that other one and go down deeper. So I put an orange mark on there giving me the 2-foot mark, but we're just going to go down all the way because there's some dirt falling in that hole, so that post couldn't go down 2 feet. All right, now try that post. Oh yes, much better. You can leave it in there. We're gonna save that one because it's a corner. So when we switch the auger, we'll come back to that one because that's a corner. Oh, okay, okay. Yep, I see it now. So this guy has some larger posts to go on the corner. He's got some 6-inch posts. So I think we're going to change the augers to do the corner ones. I did bring my 12-inch auger with me. Whoa, that was some black dirt there. That was a bit strange. So the problem is going to be with this small hole, a 6-inch hole with a 4-inch post, there's not going to be a lot of wiggle room. So I'm trying to get it as center as possible on that orange mark, assuming that the homeowner has those marks in a straight line. With a 12-inch hole, oh man, that's some pretty sand there. With a 12-inch hole, he'd have room. We're not setting the post, but he would have room to move that post one way or the other a couple of inches to keep it straight, to keep the line straight. So I'm trying to do the best I can here for him. Now he said he's okay if he has to get the post hole digger and just shave part of the hole off. But even that's going to be tough with a small hole to get that dirt out of the bottom of the hole with only a 6-inch hole, because your post hole diggers are close to that size anyway, probably 5 inches. Man, that is some pretty sand coming out of there. Is that one the corner? That's the corner, right? Knock that dirt off of there. Okay, we're going to take this one off and go get the other one. I'm just going to pull up to this corner, and we can drop this one, go to the trailer, and get that other one and bring back. Okay, the big one is on there. Okay, we've set poles in these holes in one line here, in this line. I've got two holes that I'm just not happy with. So we're gonna go ahead and dig these two holes with this larger auger, and that will give the homeowner some wiggle room to straighten those poles up. And we've got the poles in here. I just wanted to put them in temporarily to make sure the holes were okay. So we re-drilled two holes here with the 12-inch. All of these others look good. See, if you kind of look down there, well, you can't really see on the camera, but yes, I'm happy with them. We did not re-drill any of the other holes with the 12-inch auger. And this job is complete. See ya.